Good morning, everyone. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today I'm going to update you about what is going to happen today in the stock market. Today is 24th August, and before the market hours, I'm updating you what is happening for today. So, if you're not actually my subscriber on YouTube, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications. There'll be a lot of live sessions happening in the morning around 9:30 to 10. In that between, I will be actually coming live to give you some live trading tips on intraday basis. I'm starting from today, and in the afternoon between 12:30 to 1:30, I'll be actually anywhere in that time. I'll be actually coming based on the market opportunity. I would actually come online, guys. So when I come online, you will, if you want to get notifications, please actually subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's come to what actually has happened on Friday, and so what is going to happen today. So if you see, USA market again made a new high on S&P. It actually has almost near 3,399, almost close to that place. Actually it has gone, and close to 400 it has gone, and even Nasdaq actually tried making you. So if you see, only the Dow Jones also went ahead, but there's no fresh highs and all, but overall if you see, all of them have moved quite high, though European markets were a bit negative, and uh, but overall, because of the US market, they also actually started becoming positive. And if you see in the morning, the Asian markets, especially the China market, is already up close to around nearby to 1%. So that is actually going to act on the positive side, and European markets are actually flattish. But if you look at what is happening with the US futures, US futures have actually started showing that probably they may actually start opening in a gap up. That means it's quite positive, and that is going to act as a very strong side. So we may start probably a gap up, or at least somewhere around 11,420, 430, or maybe 450. So once we start there, and if we can hold on to that, very likelihood that we should be able to move towards 11,500, 550. If not today, in the coming days we will surely be moving. The whole uh, momentum is quite positive, and the momentum is strong. The biggest thing what we can notice is there's a very strong strength which has actually happened in the banks, and the news is all this, specifically the PSU banks are actually raising capital through QIPs. That is mainly the institutional buying which is going to happen. Some of the things could be in SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, and all. So the thing is, overall, all these banks have actually, the bank Nifty and the banks have actually made a pattern which we call as symmetric triangle, and uh, now after the breakout is going to happen, probably banks are going to give a big momentum for the overall market. And if banks are going to give strength, the next leg of the rally is going to happen mainly because of the banks, and this can push the markets to newer highs. So probably Nifty could be a little lackluster, but bank Nifty could actually give us strength after 11,500, 550, because that is a place where there is a resistance, that is a place where there is gap resistance which is going to come, and which may not be that easy to actually surpass that. Now let's see how actually things are going to go at that place. That place is definitely a place where there is some amount of supply which is going to come, which would actually bring the market down. But as I said, it could be only shallow corrections. We are not seeing anything more than 100 to 200 points correction, and it could be any point of time this could happen. But overall for this week and this month, I'm not seeing market going beyond 11,550. That could be the highest it could go for this week. Only in the next contract, that is probably in the month of September, or after this expiry is over, probably there is a chance of actually market moving higher. But unless that is not going to happen, probably we will still be in the range could be 11,350 on the lower side and 11,550 on the upper side. This could be the range at which we may actually move for this entire week. So overall, the buy on dip market is still there. Which stock to buy, which stock to sell, how you need to trade, I'll be actually updating you overall on that. Stay tuned on this channel. Today evening at 6 o'clock, I'm starting the free stock market program. This is a 5-day program. Every day at 6 o'clock we will be doing this program, so stay tuned on this. Come and join my telegram channel. If you want to actually get this free stock market training, then it is just go and join this telegram channel, t.me/free stock market training. And for getting all the latest updates, just join the channel Crazy Money Witch Free on Telegram. And this is my YouTube channel. Like my video, comment on this, tell me what more actually you are liking to watch, what kind of videos you want me to make, so I'll actually make videos related to that. And share this with all your friends, guys. Whoever is actually trading, please share with them. Let them also get benefited with all the knowledge I'm trying to share with you. I have a vision to uh, train at least 1 crore people and who on the stock market, and I want to help them out. So help me in this vision and share this with all your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Have a great day.